Oh, can you crack my back? Oh!
Oh my goodness, who knew my knuckle was so strong?
Okay, that did not work out. Hey guys, so I was gonna get into the crack back challenge, but it didn't really work. So see you guys in the next one. Bye.